Allows new aftermarket stereo to be installed in factory location. Fits double DIN stereos with a maximum screen size. Faceplate opening is 3 13/16 by 6 13/16, 96. 8 mm by 173 mm. Precision designed for a gapless fit between the dash and the dash kit. Color and texture matches the factory dash. Easy to install. No special tools are required. Includes step-by-step instructions. Backed by Scosche's lifetime warranty and lifetime tech support. For 40 years, Scosche has been producing high-quality, affordable car stereo dash kits, vehicle wiring harnesses, adapters, interfaces, amplifier wiring dash kits, cables and other 12 volts installation accessories. We know how you feel about your vehicle, so we will not design, engineer or deliver a product that does not meet our extremely high standards. When you purchase a Scosche installation accessory, we have you covered. We offer lifetime tech support, which means our knowledgeable tech team is available to answer any product questions you may have for as long as you own the product. We are so confident in our product quality that we back all Scosche 12 volts installation accessories with a limited lifetime warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Just right. It was a perfect fit for my double DIN stereo in my 2013 Santa Fe Sport 2. 0.